So the first thing that we're going to look at is the bag itself. This bag is made by a company called Vanquest. They make a very high quality bag that is easily adaptable, and it's also perfect for fast deployment. You can get into the equipment you need quickly and efficiently, and I'll show you that in a little bit. First, we're going to deal with some of the stuff on the outside. You'll notice that this is a very small, very lightweight, easily accessible flashlight that also can be put right on the brim of your hat, and it has a variety of different settings that can be used. You can also set it and adjust the height for different purposes. You don't have to have this flashlight, any flashlight will do, but in a first aid kit you want to have some sort of flashlight because you are not always going to have the best lighting situations. The second thing in the bag is I have a simple pen. You'll notice that I took the top off the pen and also that it's not pushed in tight. So I could take the writing part out and I have a hollow tube. The point of the hollow tube is in the event that you have somebody that is choking, you could use this for what is called a tracheotomy. I'll describe a tracheotomy in a later video. That's the second thing. The third thing I have in this kit is a Bic lighter. Simple lighter that is extremely effective. When I'm out in the woods, it's always nice to have a backup heat source, but in addition, this is something that can be used to kill any bacteria or germs that might be on something. For example, also on the outside of the kit, I have safety pins. Safety pins have multiple functions, but one of the things that I use them for is you can cauterize them with the Bic lighter and use them to help get slivers or other foreign objects that might be stuck in your skin out. They can also be used for bandages and triangle bandages that you might find or need to put on. Okay, moving along, we're going to turn it to the other side. On this side, I have a quick release for a pair of scissors. These are not regular scissors, these are scissors designed to cut through clothing. If somebody's really hurt badly and I need to get to, say, a broken limb or some heavy bleeding, I can cut through clothing very quickly. These things will actually cut through a solid penny. On this side, I have on the outside what I consider to be one of the most important components, and that is a tourniquet. This particular tourniquet is a CAT tourniquet. CAT stands for Combat Application Tourniquet, and this is designed to stop if somebody has a major bleed, and that bleeding could be life-threatening. This is designed to cut off the bleeding in the event that somebody has a major injury and they could die within minutes if you don't turn off or stop the bleeding. I'll show you how to use this also in a later video. But that's the outside of the bag. We'll come back and show the inside next.